Long ago, in the great land of Kadaram, there lived a mighty and fearsome dragon named Kaman. With wings as vast as the sky and fire that could melt stone, Kaman would soar above the villages, bringing destruction wherever he went. His flames consumed homes, his roars sent tremors through the land, and the people of Kadaram lived in constant fear. Whenever the villagers saw his shadow looming over the sky, they would flee, their hearts pounding with terror. Desperate to save their home, the people turned to the only one who could help, Mandela, the old sorcerer. Mandela was once the most powerful wizard in all of Kadaram, but now age had withered his strength and his magic had begun to fade. Even so, his heart remained strong. He could not stand by and watch his people suffer. "I will face Kaman," he declared, his voice filled with quiet determination. With his ancient staff in hand, Mandela set out on his journey. His path led him to the highest mountain, where Kaman had made his lair among the jagged peaks. As Mandela reached the summit, the ground shook beneath him. A monstrous roar echoed through the skies, and from the shadows emerged Kaman, his golden eyes burning with fury. "Foolish old wizard," Kaman growled. "You dare to challenge me?" But Mandela stood firm. He did not raise his staff to fight, nor did he utter a single spell of attack. "I do not come to fight, Kaman," he said calmly. "I come to end this suffering for you and for my people." The dragon snarled. "Why should I care about your people? They are nothing to me." Mandela lifted his staff, and a radiant golden light enveloped Kaman. In that moment, the dragon saw something he had long forgotten, his true self. He was not always a monster. Once, long ago, he was a warrior, a noble protector of Kadaram. He had sworn to defend the kingdom, to bring peace, not destruction. But an evil sorcerer, jealous of his strength, had cursed him, turning him into a creature of rage and fire. For the first time in centuries, Kaman saw the truth. His heart, once filled with fury, now ached with sorrow. "Can you break this curse?" he asked, his voice no longer filled with anger, but with hope. Mandela, though weak, mustered the last of his magic. With a final spell, he cast a brilliant light upon the dragon. The flames around Kaman dimmed, his monstrous form faded, and before the people of Kadaram stood not a beast, but a warrior once more. Kaman vowed to protect the kingdom as he once had, to undo the destruction he had caused. The people, once terrified of him, now cheered his name, celebrating the return of their guardian. As for Mandela, his magic was now gone, but he had learned something far greater. True magic is not in spells, but in the courage to change, and in the kindness of the heart. And from that day forth, Kadaram knew peace once more.